If you need to move mail sections in Mailchimp, I'll show you the fastest way to do it step by step. This is really useful when you want to rearrange your email layout, move content blocks higher or lower, and clean up the flow of your campaign without starting over from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open your campaign, select a section, move it up or down, and save your changes correctly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're on the Mailchimp dashboard, look at the left side and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, and it's the starting point for editing the design of a mailing. After that, find the mail campaign where you want to move sections around and click Edit next to it. This will open the campaign so you can make changes to the content. Now that you're inside the campaign, look for the option to edit design. Click that to open the email editor. This is where the real customization happens, because Mailchimp lets you adjust the order of your sections, blocks, and content areas. Once the editor opens, locate the section you want to move. Click directly on the section so it becomes selected. You should see controls appear for that block, and this is what lets you reposition it. To move the section, use the Move Section Up or Move Section Down option, depending on where you want it to go. If the content needs to appear earlier in the email, move it up. If it needs to appear lower, move it down. Mailchimp will shift the section into the new position for you so you can quickly organize the layout the way you want it. If you're working on a long email, this is a great way to make sure your most important content stands out first. Take a moment to review the order of your sections after moving them. Make sure the email still reads smoothly from top to bottom and that the design looks clean and balanced. If anything needs adjusting, you can click another section and move it again until it's in the right place. This is one of the easiest ways to fine-tune your campaign before sending it out. When everything looks good, click Save and Exit. That will keep your updated section order and return you to the main campaign area. Always save before leaving because that ensures your edits are applied properly and nothing gets lost. And that's it. You've successfully moved mail sections in Mailchimp. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp tutorials, email marketing tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.